Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the theme folders and the files. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, we are going to learn what files are required and why. So first one, that is registration. That is very important to register a theme with Magento. Theme.xml, theme name parent, theme association, and composer.json that to enable the installation via composer. Let me check the theme. If I have the installed somewhere, this is the theme. So this is the whole structure. The like this is app design front end sm, that is the theme name, and here we are using the you can child theme. So what we have learned: registration.php, theme.xml, composer.json. Registration.php, right? You can see there is a component registration with the theme, right? It tells the Magento that we want to install a theme, right? Register it as a theme, right? Front end sm and image theme, correct? Next we have where that is vue.xml, theme.xml and vue.xml we are going to discuss. In theme.xml, this is the file, right? Open it. So here the title is the theme name parent. So here you want to use the his theme, or you want to use the default Magento themes. So here if it is default Magento, then you can write the blank Luma, your parent Luma. You can mention it over here, and you can change the preview image while just replacing the media preview jpg dot jpeg, right? So this is you can done. Next we have view.xml. Let's check they have the functionality or not. View.xml, this is view.xml. This is responsible for the images catalog, in which sizes you want to show the images and all sliders and their pixels. You can manage it over here, right? So this is that one. Next we are going to move to the i8en. So basically it is for the translation. You can go and check if it is there, i8n, and we have enuscsv, so you can do the translation over here, right? Media, I told you, web css. Let's take a look of it. And here we have web, we have css, fonts, images, js. So you can manage it your own, like whether you want a theme specific fonts and something images would be like logo and everything. You can put it over here, like loaders and all, right? Next we have how to override the default modules, right? So for overriding the default modules, so basically suppose take an example of Magento catalog, right? Let me open the vendor folder also in the same tab, right? We have Magento catalog, right? We have the layout and templates. If I go to the vendor, if I search for the Magento, and we have this is theme admin backend front end or front end Luma, whatever we can going to open. This is the default theme. I'm going to override Magento catalog. So where it is Magento catalog, I think the contents are too low. Magento catalog, this is not. We have to go for the main theme. Magento front end blank. Magento catalog. No, this is not that one. Where is there the theme? This is. Let me check where all the modules. Uh, Catalog. Module catalog, right? And where is view front end layout? So this is the full Magento catalog that I'm going to override it, right? So let's take a look. So here we have Magento catalog. This is the Magento catalog. This is layout. This is layout. Which layout I'm going to override? There is catalog category view.xml. In layout, catalog category view.xml. Just copy and paste it, right? And if you want to catalog product view.xml, just copy and paste it. So we are going to learn with the overriding, right? So here you can add your functionality to this module, right? So it is module specific, you are going to override it, right? So you are overriding the Magento catalog. So this is the way. So here it is defined as module catalog. So you need to define Magento underscore catalog, right? So this is how you can override the theme, override the module specific area, right? Next, move to the child themes. Already child themes are basically that we are creating from the parent theme. So you can define the parent theme and you can use it as a child theme. You can add your own content, like what I'm going to do right now, just overriding how. What are the difference between parent theme and the child theme? Parent has all the assets, everything, that is a full-fledged theme, and you are just picking up which is you are overriding in the child theme. You are adding your elements over to it. How files are overridden, I told you. Like suppose parent theme location is like vendor, Magento, theme, frontend, Luma, etc view.xml, or you are going to override like app design, frontend, theme name, meaning etc view.xml. This is the way you can override it. How module specifics are overridden? I told you Magento theme, Magento theme. Where currently I have discussed theme inheritance. First, it will look out the child theme, then parent theme, then module admin area, then base area. So this is the theme in inheritance, right? So hope you will get the override, or like overview of the theme structure and how we are going to override it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.